I made my heating system smart with Tado. The installation is super easy, because basically all actions are already familiar to you. Furthermore, the app is going to guide you step by step. First of all, switch off the fuse of your heating system. In my case, I directly connect Tado to the boiler. You have to select the boiler in your app. Then you will receive suitable instructions for your exact model. Open the boiler and connect the supplied cable. The provided stickers will help you to connect. Label and highlight the cable with them. This will make it impossible to get them mixed up. After assembling Tado, plug the marked cables into the terminals with the same name. Switch on the fuse and connect everything with the push of a button. Lastly, place the Tado temperature sensor close to your favorite spot in the room. Either mount or simply stick it on with the strips. That's it. If you still have any questions, the Tado support is always there for you. Tado makes home your comfort zone.